Welcome, King James.
I'm a cartoon?
Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy T right here, and we got a little something different for you today. Alright, so first thing first, I know you're wondering, like, why is he showing the Space Jam or pieces of the Space Jam trailer? Well, there's a reason why. Because you know what? At my doorstep today, we have our LeBron 18 lows, the Sylvester versus Tweety Bird shoe right now, which actually drops on Friday. But guess what, man? We got early access right here. We have them now, right? All right, so first thing first, I'm not even gonna hold up the whole video. All I'm gonna say is this: Friday, they do come out again, and they will be retailing for about $160. All right, so definitely, if you can get to wherever you need to get the shoe, definitely get it, man. The shoe is amazing. It looks amazing, and yeah, man, we're gonna go and jump right into it right now. So we're gonna open up this amazing box, and we're gonna pull out this amazing shoe, and wow, as you can see, I'm just going to give you a just look at it, man. It's beautiful, beautiful, man. It got the black and gray colorway, the mesh look, right? You know, the back, you got the LJ, man, with the Tweety Bird feathers around it. I don't know if the camera's adjusting to it or not, but we also, with this shoe, man, we have, there's a lot of amazing things with it. You got the Toon Squad on the front tongue of the shoe, and also we have signature words from like Tweety Bird and Sylvester on each pair of shoe. So on this one, and I'll give you a closer look on it, but we have the actual, I thought I saw a putty cat on there. Also the same thing with the Sylvester side, man. Sucker and succotash is on the side as well. But like I said, I'm gonna give y'all some shots of this, man, so get back and check it out right now. Alright, so as you can see, the shoe is amazing. Great images on it, man. I'm telling you, I haven't put them on yet, though. I haven't put them on yet. But when I do, I will definitely let you know. But also, another key thing, too, with the shoes. Check out the tongues, yo. Check out the tongues. Yo, so we have one shoe that has the Sylvester Hawk, which is this one, as you can see. And then also, in the other one, we have the Tweety Bird as well. Like I said, man, the shoes are amazing. I'm about to drop the whole box. Shoes is amazing. $160 come out Friday. We have them now, right now, as you can see. I'm part of the Toon Squad gang right now. Let's get it. Yo, man, if you are digging the shoe, man, like I said, I wanted to get my hands on some other ones as well, but listen, man, the shoe is amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, man, we have more shoes to come, man. So if you are looking to see more shoes, more sneakers, yo, man, don't forget that like button, subscribe to the channel. We also do gaming as well, so like I said, we're doing best of both worlds. And yeah, man, love and blessings. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.